Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bind Google Authenticator to the Neptune network. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to bind your Google Authenticator with Neptune network, you just simply have to get the security key or authentication key from Neptune network two-factor authentication section at very first. Then after that, you just simply have to open your Authenticator application, and into here just simply tap into this plus button at the bottom right. And after that, tap into this enter a setup key, and now you just simply have to name your account. You can name it anything. I'm naming it Neptune Network into here. Now you just simply have to paste the key that you have copied into your clipboard at the very first of the video. Then after that, tap into this add button. Then after doing this very easy step, your Neptune network will successfully be binded to Google Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.